everyone, Valerie here. I am really excited today because I found a bag of potatoes that I planted up earlier in the season and forgot about. I had meant to reveal these when I did the other potatoes, but it went right out of my head because these have been outside. Now I planted Desiree potato in here, but they was ones that come from the supermarket. So I have no idea what I'm going to find. They could have all been eaten by the slugs. There may not be anything at all in there. I know they did grow some leaves because I watered them a few times. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Two tiny ones, not very good start. It's the old potato. Hooray! Well, that's extremely disappointing. I thought I'd get more than that. What's the lesson I learned from this? If you want to grow potatoes seriously, then you need to buy proper seed potatoes. Although, there's more there than I put in, so I should be pleased about that. Well, as I weigh everything I pick, I thought I'd better weigh my disastrous crop. Mud as well, I'm not washing them. And I've got 232 grams, which is 8.2 ounces. So, an all-round disaster. But you learn from your disasters, and as I said in the polytunnel, what I've learned from this really is that you need to buy in proper seed potatoes if you want to be guaranteed a crop. I was just messing around here. I had a couple of store-bought potatoes, so I thought I'd plant them and see what I got. And that's what I got. I should have just peeled the potatoes and used them. I've actually got better potatoes than this out of my compost heap from potato peelings. So perhaps I'll do that next time. Anyway, you don't learn anything unless you try. So I hope you've enjoyed my humiliation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye from Valerie.